Now let's learn how we can add a contact form in our website. You created a website or business and you always need a one contact form where user can contact you. Okay, so how we can create it and how we can integrate it. So here we go. You can see this is our website. So I want to create one contact page here. Okay, so go to the TCP website here, dashboard, and I'm gonna delete the existing page. Okay, page here. I'm gonna delete that contact page to trash. Right this. Okay. Now let's create a contact page. So before creating a contact page, I need one plugin here. Okay. So left side click on the plugin, add plugin here, and just search here contact form 7. This is the most popular plugin or most popular contact form that you can use. Okay, you can see the 10 million active installation. So whenever you try to use any plugin, so always check how many active installation of that plugin and how many reviews you have. Okay, you can see the 4-star review, 10 million plus installation. It means 10 million websites are using this contact form currently right now. You can see the 5 lakhs, 6 million like this. So let me just try this contact form 7 here and just activate this. Now you can see the contact, click on this. Now we have that default contact form, click on add it, or you can create another contact form like click on add new. This is the new contact form like this. Okay. Now this is the default thing like your name, your email, subject and message. You can add the thing according to your requirement, or if you want to make the more fields, you can ask ChatGPT to do this for you. Okay. So suppose add the number, add the number and remove the subject from this contact form. Okay. And just paste that code and that will give you the updated code. Okay, you can see he will give the code. You don't need to think about what to write, what to add here. Like this, just copy that code, go here and just add here. That's it. Let's save this. Now how we can save and how we can add this in a contact page. So make sure, let's create a contact page first. Okay, go to the pages, click on the add page and just add here contact us. Okay, just make it publish. Now click on the add with element here and here click on the plus icon and just add here short code like this. Okay, flex box and then I'm gonna just add here the short code. You just need to search a short code and just drag and drop it. Now short code is something, it means you created a contact form here but you need to display in the page. So you can copy that form. You can see this is the short code, copy, go here and paste that code here. Your form is here. Fantastic. But I'm gonna make that something, just go here, click on this, grid, I'm gonna make it, and I'm gonna make it 3 like this, okay? Or you can just make that grid to the two column like this, okay? And I'm gonna add my contact form here. I'm gonna just delete it. I'm gonna add my contact form in this box. So short code like this and like this. Go here, copy this short code and just paste it. This is your contact form. Publish this. Cool. Now we can add the content here. Okay. And I want to add that page in my menu. So go to the menu option like this, appearance, menu, and we have that primary menu. We deleted that. Okay. So let's remove that page and add that contact us page. Check this, click on add to menu and just save it. Go here, refresh it, click on contact us. And you can see this is our contact us form. We can fill your name, email, phone number and details and submit it. Once they submit it, we can receive a message. But where we will receive an email, okay? So go to the contact form here, okay? Let's click on the contact form we created. And we created this new form, right? Click on this. So go to the mail option. You can see the two site admin. So suppose you created the email, suppose the coding bus. This is the site admin that will be receive your contact form email. But I want to change it. So you can just change it here to the coding bus at gmail.com. So whenever someone submit the form to from here, so the coding bus in gmail.com receive the mail, and that is receive the real email. Okay, you will get an email at Gmail. Okay, so this is how the contact form will work. So we have integrated the contact form in our website.